Good day, everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are an old subscriber, thank you very much for the love and support. I love you all. So the gist I bring for una today now about Bobrisky. As you all know, Bobrisky recently did his house warming party of his 400 million naira mansion in Lekki, Lagos. So na the news wey I bring for una today be that as Bobrisky do im 400 million naira mansion housewarming party. I want to take you people on a tour of the mansion so make una see inside the way the place take be. The place dey nice, very beautiful, very nice, and also there have been so many conspiracy about the house, say no be him get am, say na somebody else got am, according to this lover, say na one yahoo boy get the house wey dem dey call Federal, na him get the house. So I no know whether na true or no be true, but according to this lover, but Bobrisky come even bring receipt for us, so say na him buy house with him name wey dey write for there. And also an hair vendor for Instagram, don't even forget the name of the hair vendor, talk say the hair wey Bobrisky use for the housewarming party, say Bobrisky never pay am. They say Bobrisky and im wahala. But today no be all those ones you come do, na to just show you the tour of the house, inside the house, the way the house take be. Whether na lying dey lie, abi na true him dey talk, abi na she dey talk, we no know. But just take a look at the tour of inside the house. It's very, very beautiful. Just take a look at it. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Thank you. So you go also see for inside this video as actress Laide Bakari take come for the housewarming party. Also go look inside the house as the house be. You also go take tour, look inside the Bobrisky house. Now waiting you they watch now for this video. You could see how as they take her around the house, look at it. You can see the house is a very beautiful place. Anyway, congratulations to him or her. Whether na him get am or you no get am, we never know. But for now, we just say congratulations to Bobrisky on acquiring this new beautiful mansion.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Cheese lover in the man. What is this? Letter of transfer in respect of Block 6, Pinnock Beach Estate, Lekki, Lagos. This is the letter of transfer that the
I will run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing.